Hi, if you want to set fingerprint unlock on the Samsung Galaxy S25, then you need to open Settings. From here, find the tab Lock Screen and AOD, and now choose Screen Lock and Biometrics. So before setting fingerprint, we need to set screen lock first. Just pick something from the list, either PIN code, password, or pattern. I'm gonna pick pattern. Then draw it, tap Continue, and redraw, and then tap Confirm. Here you can customize your lock screen notifications. Just tap Done, and now we can actually set fingerprint. So scroll down, choose Fingerprints, then draw your current pattern or enter PIN code or password, and then tap this blue button Continue. And now we need to fill the entire circle, so let's tap Register and place the finger on the scanner so it would reach 100%. Just press and lift when you feel a vibration and repeat the process several times. Be patient, we need to complete the whole circle and we need to reach 100%. So let's just keep doing it. And that's it, fingerprint added. We can add another one, or we can tap Done. We can tap on this fingerprint, rename it. We can remove it, enable fingerprint unlock. Also, we can enable fingerprint always on. We can go in show icon when screen is off on always on display, or tap to show, or choose never. And also we can enable animation when unlocking. And now let's try this out. I'm gonna lock my phone. And as you can see, the scanner appears on lock screen. So simply place your finger on it and the phone will be immediately unlocked. And that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe, like and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.